The 2010 Hamann Flash Evo M. Hamann proved today that the X5 M can do more than originally stated by BMW. Granted, most automakers don't push the envelope when developing the number of ponies under the hood of their SUVs, but that doesn't mean that the owners won't want to. That is why there is a place in the world for tuners such as Hamann. Their package, called the Flash Evo M, develops an incredible 610 horsepower and a torque of 780 Nm. And that's just the base kit. A standard BMW X5 M gives out 555 horsepower, but, with a little engine optimization and the elimination of the factory-installed Vmax restriction of 155 miles per hour, that can be taken to the previously mentioned 610 horsepower, making it that much more fantastic. If that's still not enough, then Hamann is also offering an HM 670 sports kit that will increase the power even further to 670 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque. The exterior package includes a striking front spoiler fitted with 2 or 4 integrated LED daytime running lights, large air intakes, a carbon bonnet, additional air inlets and outlets, side sill bars, a sport exhaust system with 2 central tailpipes integrated into the diffuser, and a carbon roof spoiler. Customers can choose from 22 or 23-inch light alloy wheels. For the interior, Hamann offers applique made of visible carbon fiber and a stainless steel sill plate with an illuminated Hamann logo. As pumped as we are about the transformation provided by Hamann, it's actually not the best we have seen for this vehicle. G-Power's recent work on the BMW X5 M left it packing 725 horsepower. Then there's the obligatory matte black exterior paint job that they felt they needed to slap onto the Beamer. Based on power alone, G-Power takes the cake. If we were to add in looks, then it would be a toss-up. Press release after the jump. Press release. When you take your car for styling and tuning to Hamann Motorsport in Laufheim, Germany, the end result will always be amazing. This also occurred when customizing the BMW X5 M and turning it into the Hamann Flash Evo M. Whether you need a body kit, light alloy wheels, increased performance or visual enhancement of the interior, Hamann makes it possible. The BMW X5 M rolls off the assembly line already with many exceptional attributes that give it a sense of a sports car. Hamann dresses up this genre, adding the newly developed Flash Evo M body kit. From now on, a striking front spoiler will be fitted with 2 or 4 integrated LED daytime running lights, large air intakes that supply the engine as well as the brake system with fresh air. The carbon bonnet presents itself as a perfect match and contributes with its additional air inlets and outlets to optimize the temperature inside the engine compartment. Side sill bars connect the massive fender extensions and give the X5 M a considerably higher presence. The 2 central tailpipes of the sport exhaust system are integrated into the diffuser that is installed into the rear spoiler. The carbon roof spoiler adds to the necessary downforce. Even the exterior mirror heads present themselves in a stylish black carbon fiber. Upon request, several 22 or 23-inch light alloy wheels amplify effectively the sporty appearance of the Hamann Flash Evo M and skillfully fill in the wide wheel housings. The exclusive design unique forged anodized rim, available in 23-inch with matte black anodized spokes, gives it a truly sporty appearance. The special forging technique applied makes the rim super light but at the same time offers a very high bearing load. By using progressively wound suspension springs, Hamann is able to lower the center of gravity of the BMW X5 M by 30 mm. This emphasizes even more the sporty appearance of the Flash Evo M body kit. Hamann offers 2 performance improvement systems. First, the EQ is optimized by removing the factory-installed Vmax restriction of 250 km per hour. Then, power is increased from 408 kilowatts, 555 horsepower and 680 Nm torque to an impressive 449 kilowatts, 610 horsepower and a torque of 780 Nm. For an extra kick, Hamann supplies the HM 670 sports kit. In addition to the optimization of the EQ, a rear sports muffler and catalyst replacement pipes are being used. This way, between 1500 and 5650 rpm, the torque is increased to 950 Nm. According to the data sheet, 493 kilowatts, 670 horsepower are also available and ensure that the Hamann Flash Evo M can reach a top speed of 300 km per hour. Stopping at these speeds requires additional safety, for which Hamann has developed a high-performance brake system, using 405 mm diameter brake discs in front and 340 mm diameter brake discs at the rear. 6-pot calipers provide the delay at the front axle, while 4-pot calipers do their work at the rear axle. Steel flex brake lines prevent the dreaded fading during high stresses. When checking out the interior, the first thing one will notice is the Hamann airbag sport steering wheel and the speedometer, indicating a top speed of 320 km per hour, but this is only the beginning. Upon request, the in-house saddlery shop can provide you with 2-colored, quilted leather with decorative stitching and alcantara as interior finish. To round it all off, an interior package is available with applique made of visible carbon fiber and a stainless steel sill plate with an illuminated Hamann logo. The feet of the driver may rest on pedals and a footrest available in optional silver or black anodized aluminium. Hamann floor mats and a trunk mat top off the luxurious appearance.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.